Are you Veritas Certified? Veritas Certification is an industry-recognized program that validates that you have the knowledge and skills to deploy, manage, and administer Veritas products and solutions. If you are an IT professional responsible for information availability, backup, and recovery, email storage and archiving, or other aspects of information governance, Veritas Certification is for you. Becoming Veritas Certified distinguishes you from your peers by showing your current and future employers that you are serious about applied learning and that you have experience in administering Veritas products. In today's competitive job market, where many IT professionals have the same well-known certifications, having a specialized credential like the Veritas Certified Specialist can set you apart from the field, opening the doors to new opportunities in your industry. Over the next few minutes, we'll show you how to prepare for the eDiscovery-Platform 8.2 for Administrators Certification exam. You can find everything you need to know about this exam at go.veritas.com/certification. Click on the exam list and navigate to eDiscovery, and then eDiscovery 8.2 for Administrators. This page provides specific information about the exam, such as the number of questions, the passing score, and so on. In addition, this is where you find the exam preparation guide and the sample exam. To prepare for the exam, start by downloading and reviewing the exam preparation guide. This will provide you with an overview of the exam. This guide lists recommended training and product documentation to review and provides guidance on how to prepare for the exam. The exam preparation guide also outlines specific lessons and topics from the training that you should study to meet each exam objective. Once you are familiar with the scope of the exam, you should sign up for the recommended training classes. Veritas certification path diagrams provide guidance on which courses to take. These diagrams are available on the education website. In the description below this video, a complete list of website links is provided for your reference. Gaining hands-on experience with the product is also important. Veritas recommends that you have 3 to 6 months of experience working with eDiscovery-Platform 8.2 before taking the exam. The exam preparation guide provides a list of common tasks that you should be able to perform in your environment. If you are already certified on an older version of eDiscovery Platform, such as eDiscovery Platform 8.0, you need to focus your study on new features introduced in later versions of the product. For example, eDiscovery Platform 8.1 introduced Enterprise Vault.Cloud, automation rules, enhanced permissions to export location, collections, and legal hold, SharePoint collections, and filtering by custodian attributes. And eDiscovery Platform 8.2 covers additional features such as collection set permissions updates, LDAP password encryption, legal hold authentication, updates to the Active Directory discovery process, and it gave the case admin privileges for access groups. After you attend the recommended training and have acquired the hands-on experience, continue to use the exam preparation guide to prepare for the exam. This exam tests your knowledge and familiarity with a variety of components and features of eDiscovery Platform 8.2. The System Administration section covers the core features of eDiscovery Platform. It also covers how to install, configure, backup, and recover components. The Legal Holds section covers creating and managing legal holds, including legal hold notice architecture. It also covers custodian management. The Identification and Collections section is where the majority of the exam content is focused. This section covers the interactive data map, integrations with Enterprise Vault and Enterprise Vault.Cloud, and collectors and filters. You are also tested on your ability to perform full and incremental collections and use collection templates, as well as confirm data collection and perform basic troubleshooting. In the pre-processing, processing, search, and analysis section, you are tested on pre-processing and processing settings and search features, including keyword search features. You are also tested on performing analysis on the search results. The review and production section covers review concepts, performing production and export, and transparent predictive coding. System and case management and reporting is the final section of the exam. This section covers creating and managing cases using the eDiscovery platform reporting function, system management, and managing users and custodians. The final step in preparing is to practice your exam-taking skills using the downloadable sample exam. The sample exam provides 20 questions that represent what you can expect to see on the exam. Set aside 20 minutes, clear your desk, and time yourself taking the sample exam. You should average 1 minute per exam question. In the actual exam, you will be asked to answer 75 to 85 questions in 105 minutes. Some exam items test your knowledge of product features and functionality. Other items are scenario-based and test your ability to apply the eDiscovery solution to meet a need or solve a problem in a real-world environment. Let's look at a few items from the eDiscovery Platform 8.2 for Administrators sample exam, and I'll explain the type of knowledge required to answer the items correctly. A case team asked a system manager to collect emails from a group of custodians in a legal matter. The case team also requested that the email footer, "This message may contain privileged, proprietary, or confidential information," which can be found at the end of all company emails, be excluded from the indexing because the term proprietary will be one of the search terms used in this case. Where can this exclusion setting be configured? In this example, A is the correct answer. All case processing settings are stored in this location, which includes settings for text exclusions for footers. B is incorrect because the property browser is used to make changes at system or case level, but does not provide the ability to adjust processing settings. C is incorrect because the Settings tab is not available from the case homepage. And D is incorrect because processing exceptions is used to report errors during processing. Next question. How can the progress of a processing job be monitored? D is the correct answer to this question. This is the only place where the status of processing jobs is displayed. A is incorrect because the activity report provides user activity, not job activity. B is incorrect because the System's Sessions page provides the active user sessions, not jobs. And C is incorrect because the Clearwell commander has no insight into the processing status. Next question. Where can a case manager create various charts and reports to monitor reviewer productivity, progress toward deadlines, and other metrics? For this question, C is the correct answer. To gain insight into the productivity of the reviewers, the case manager must go to the dashboard. A is incorrect because the track list option is not available in the GUI. B is incorrect because the review report option is not available in the GUI. And D is incorrect because the reviewer progress job is not available in the GUI. Now here's the last question. A system manager is troubleshooting a set of files that has failed to export. After clicking the Find Failed Docs link, the System Manager can view the affected documents on screen. When the System Manager attempts to export one of the files, however, the export fails. Where can the System Manager find a possible cause for the export failure? C is the correct answer to this question. The recoverable_urn.xml file contains a list of all documents that failed to be exported. This list includes the export error along with all the locations of the files. When a failed or partially completed job is resubmitted, recoverable_urn.xml is used as the input for the job in an attempt to export just the failed documents. A is incorrect because summary.xml contains all export settings and stats about the data set to be exported. B is incorrect because clearwell_export_manifest.xml is an invalid XML and does not show the System Manager the cause for the export failure. And finally, D is incorrect because the input_urn.xml file contains the doc IDs, checksums, and locations for the files selected for export. This is the packing list of documents that the export job will receive. You now have an idea of the kinds of questions you'll see on the exam. After you've taken the recommended training, gained the hands-on experience, and studied the sample exam, you're ready to register for the real thing. To register for a Veritas certification exam, you need to obtain a Veritas Cert Tracker ID. Select a test center location and follow the registration instructions provided on our website. See the links in the description below to access all the resources referenced in this video. If you have any questions, you may also contact us by email. Congratulations! You are on your way to becoming Veritas Certified. Remember, to begin your path to Veritas certification, visit go.veritas.com/certification. And best of luck in taking the exam.